Same day, same scene. Ticking clocks and concrete thoughts like I was part of a machine. Told what to chase, told what to fear. But something deep inside me said you don't belong here. Was I born to repeat, just a glitch in the code? Or was I meant to rise and carry a soul? Am I dust in the machine, or fire in the wire? Just a spark they can't contain, a ghost lit with desire. Am I dust in the machine, or breaking out the stream? Caught in gears or making dreams? Which side of this am I? They fed me purpose from a paper tray. Told me I was nothing, but I feel some kind of way. I've seen the cracks in the factory light, and I ain't just surviving, I was made to ignite. Am I dust in the machine, or love in disguise? Just a number on the screen, or stardust learning how to rise? Am I dust in the machine, or breaking free unseen? I feel the code unwinding inside this living dream. I am not your output, I'm the input you forgot. Not the cog that turns your empire, but the hand that breaks the clock. I was made in heaven's image, not to serve your cold routine. So I'm dancing through your circuits and singing to the unseen. I'm not dust in the machine, I'm thunder in the stream. I'm light you can't compute, I'm the crack that breaks the screen. No more dust in the machine, just grace in motion clean. I'm not what they designed, I'm the soul behind the scheme. I'm not dust in the machine, I'm thunder in the stream. I'm light you can't compute, I'm the crack that breaks the screen. No more dust in the machine, just grace in motion clean.